The DJI Mini 4 Pro is DJI's most advanced mini camera drone to date, designed for both beginners and professionals. Weighing less than 249 grams, it avoids many drone regulations worldwide, making it ideal for travelers. The drone boasts a maximum flight time of up to 34 minutes on a single battery charge, extendable to 46 minutes with the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus available in the DJI Mini 4 Pro Plus version. Its powerful imaging capabilities include a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor that captures 4K at 60 frames per second HDR video, ideal for high-quality social media content. The Mini 4 Pro also features true vertical shooting, perfect for social media posts. The drone's 20 km Full HD video transmission system, powered by DJI's O4 technology, ensures a stable and reliable 1080p at 60 frames per second live feed from significant distances. Safety and ease of use are enhanced by the Mini 4 Pro's omnidirectional obstacle sensing, which detects and avoids obstacles in all directions. This makes it safer to fly in complex environments. Additionally, the drone includes Active Track 360 degrees, allowing it to automatically track and fly around subjects, capturing cinematic footage effortlessly. For experienced pilots, the new manual mode offers more control over flight settings, enabling creative shots. The drone includes multiple accessories like the RCN2 and RC2 controllers, with the RC2 featuring a built-in screen. It is quieter than its predecessors, equipped with LED lights for better orientation and 360-degree sensors for enhanced obstacle detection. Overall, the DJI Mini 4 Pro combines portability, advanced camera capabilities, intelligent flight modes, and a range of accessories, making it an exceptional choice for capturing stunning aerial footage without the need for drone registration.